Kami ngayon sa Concept One Wheels PH located at San Juan City. As part ng upgrade sa kotse na to, plano ko talagang ipa-upgrade yung mugs and goma nito. Looking at certain brands with limited budget, I decided to push through with itong Concept One Wheels. Later on, magpapa-discuss tayo further with the sales agent na kausap natin. So guys, we are at the showroom dito sa Concept One and right here with me is Jericho. So friend ko siya na kasama kami lagi sa mag-ride. So siya yung nag-recommend sa akin na magpalit dito. So right now, ang mangyayari kasi is as a newbie na kakakuha lang ng kotse tapos gusto nga mag-upgrade ng mga mugs or goma, wala tayong alam. So si Jericho, since may experience siya sa space, siya yung mag-i-introduce sa atin. So, first question na lang is, as a newbie like me, or like specifically sa kotse ko na si Toyota Hilux, ano yung ma-recommend mong mugs na based sa brand na?
Whenever you're going to be upgrading your car, let's say rims, tires, ibabagay mo talaga siya sa base, sa color, model, everything. So, if you guys are familiar with Method, it's being used usually for Gazoo racing. Gazoo racing is more on rally racing, mga desert racing, ganyan. So, actually, kung makikita mo yung design ni GRS, is actually more on rally design siya. So, that's why halos lahat ng GRS na nagpapakabit sa amin, they go for Method talaga. So, si Method, very well known yan in the US. So, they have two types of rims. One is Street Series and one is Trail Series. Ang Street Series is usually more on, used more on roads. So, parang black ride, parang any usual aftermarket rims.
Okay.
Forma, you can use it for off-road din, pero mas may edge ka with the Trail Series.
Okay. So, itong lahat na nakikita natin dito is the Street Series?
Street Series.
Sige. Bali, ano yung pinaka-best-selling na nyo? Na model sa Street Series?
Sa Street Series, we have this one, the Method 318. Ito, we have the Method 318 and the 319.
Tapos, this is the same kapag... So kapag let's say kotse mo is crossover, pwede rin ba or not recommended?
No. Each cars have different bolt patterns. Usually crossovers are 5 holes with 114mm distance. That's most of the crossover bolt patterns. This one is 6 holes, 139mm difference sa each bolts. So,
I see.
Ayan siya. So, you need to know the bolt pattern of your car. Hindi siya basta-basta 5 holes, pasok siya sa 5 holes. There's 5112, 5100, 5114. This one may 6139, 6114, 6135 usually. 6114 usually for Navara.
I see.
So ito mga to, hindi yan fit for Navara, Etera.
So depende pa yan kung anong type of cars. Okay, sige. Tapos, pwede mo yung pakita yung showroom. Okay ka lang.
So ito is one of the designs sa Trail Series actually, if you guys want to check. So sa Method, ito yung tawag nating bead grip technology. So bead grip, hawakan mo to here. You can bring the camera here just to look. Ayan. So may mga grip siya. Dito kumakapit yung tires. So you can air down, kunyari nasa trail ka, hirap ka sa trail. Ang purpose nun is to air down to 4 PSI, hindi pa kakalas ang tires mo. Actually, kahit 0 PSI, kailangan pa rin namin ng debeader para patanggal kasi kapit na kapit talaga.
Grabe.
So, that's why usually yung mga Trail Series, pag magpapavulcanize ka, better to bring it to mga shops na nag-specialize na bead grip.
I see. Pero mas recommend mo to sa mga talagang majority off-roading then
kahit naman sa street, pwede siya gamitin. Yes. At least mas may edge ka. Kunyari, out of the blue, mag-off-road ka, kailangan mo mag-air down. Sakto.
So for Hilux talaga, si Method Racing talaga yung nire-recommend
usually
niya.
talaga
Right.
Method.
Tapos yung mga ibang brands na hawak niya, like si Black Rhino.
Black Rhino.
For ano talaga, mga SUV, ganun po.
Yes,
ganun
same
ba
lang
yun?
naman sila ni Method. We have Black Rhino and Method. And ROH for our for SUVs.
Right.
Then
Sige.
for sedans, we have NK and Momo.
Okay. Complete setup. So, parang ngayon yung i-prepare natin sa rims is yung
Range
mo naman.
Grappler, ito po.
So, pero ito lang yung goma na hawak yung brand? Or may ibang
Ito lang
brand?
yung hawak namin.
I see.
Hawak namin. Kasi we've been actually carrying a lot of other brands. Pero kay dito lang talaga kami satisfied. Even our clients.
Okay.
So medyo mas pricey siya. Pero yung investment mo dito kasi is talagang with the quality and the durability. So ito yung ilalagay natin. 265 tong nakalagay na 70 inches. Pero ang ilalagay natin is 265-70.
Oo. Pero ito yung stock,
thread
di ba?
ang ilalagay natin.
Pero ito yung stock na
Yes, yan yung stock.
265,
Kasi
65,
if you actually check GRS, mas malaki na yung well niya. Although mag-a-adjust pa rin tayo ng onte and tatanggalin yung mudguard din yung kahit.
Yun na nga.
Yes. Kasi si GRS, matangkad yung allotment sa taas, pero pagdating sa sides, sumikip siya. So, pag full turn mo, doon siya sa side.
Right. So, technically, tataas pa ba siya after?
Yes.
Tatangkad
so,
siya, no?
So, na rin nag-lift ng 1 inch. Yes.
Okay. Kasi yung mga lifting ata ng iba, yung pinapanood natin, 40 mm na lang ata yung lift nun eh.
Yes. Pag sa GRS, actually, ang maximum mo na lang from what I know is, I think 1 inch na lang ata. Kasi mataas na talaga siya. So, hindi na talaga siya malilift. Hindi na katulad ng mga ibang Hilux, 2 inch kaya.
Yeah. Gets.
Tsaka ang stock naman na GRS, parang equivalent na rin yan ng 2 inch lift na Hilux. Ganyan na rin siya kataas.
Okay. Yung mga iba't ibang klase ng pwede nga, pa-walkthrough
tires?
ng tires natin.
Okay.
And yung mga, ito yung i-recommend mo sa akin, di ba, si Ridge Grappler?
Yes, Ridge Grappler.
Okay.
So, ito yung hybrid tire namin. So, it's a mix of highway terrain. Ito yung highway terrain natin. All-terrain and mud terrain. So, that's why medyo mas expensive lang talaga si Ridge. Kasi talagang in-invest sila ni Nito to create this kind of tire.
Magkano pala lumalabas to ulit?
This one with your tires, yung 265-70 na ikakabit natin dun sa GRS is 21,000 per piece.
21. Okay.
Yes.
So, anong pinagkaiba naman niya sa mga iba't ibang models?
So, like I said, this is kind of a mix of everything eh. So, it's a mix of highway terrain, all-terrain, and mud terrain. So, highway terrain, ito, yung manipis lang road tires. Ito yung all-terrain, yung entry-level all-terrain for entry-level off-roading.
Okay.
Then we have the mud terrain, which is this. Ito yung mud terrain for the extreme off-roads na.
Okay.
Then we have here the extreme mud.
Wow.
Ayan. So yung extreme mud, medyo mas na siya, mas maingay na siya. Well, mas mas malayo na yung mga treads. Pero not really recommended for city driving.
Pero ba't ito yung ni-recommend mo instead of yung parang like let's say in my case na
Usually pag 17s, mas okay ang mas aggressive na tires. Mas brusque ko siya tignan.
Okay.
Mabibitin ka lang kapag nag-highway tayo.
Oo nga, no? Sa bagay.
Siyempre, ang purpose natin is to look aggressive.
Okay. Right. Kaya pala. Pero technically, pwede pa rin. No?
Pwede pa rin naman, pero
wala nang pinagkaiba
yes,
sa stock.
Exactly.
Okay.
Kasi yung stock mo is highway tayo.
Gets na. Okay. That makes sense.
So, yung pricing natin, for the street series na 17s, abutin ka around 75,000 for a set of 4.
Okay.
So, ayan. Tapos yung trail series, that's actually 90 for a set of 4. Yes. Siyempre, different technology. Mas may edge ka talaga sa trail series.
Right. Pero light, technically, like let's say, down the road, gusto kong mag-light trail, kaya?
Kaya naman ng street series. Ang ano lang natin sa trail series is let's say kahit light trail yan, pero ang off-roading, you have to expect the unexpected eh. Minsan biglang may malalim na bangin. Hindi ka makalabas. Air down for PSI. Makalabas ka.
Okay, so I think pwede na. Dito na tayo magtatapos sa initial walkthrough natin. So sa next part ng video natin, ipapakita natin, mag-fitting muna tayo.
Mag-fit tayo ng iilan sa 3 series.
Sige.
3 series.
Sige.
Kasi hindi kami nag-fit ng 3 series.
Right. So,
Kasi-
fit meaning as in, isasalpak natin?
ng tires yan. Tapos,
Wow, nice.
you can choose 2 dito kay Trail Series, then yung kay Street Series, tapos yung Trail Series, tatapat na lang natin. Kasi either way, same fitment lang naman.
Right.
Series.
Para makita natin kung ano yung ano.
How the fitment looks, saan siya tatama, and ayun.
Nice. So, in a while, we'll do test fit. Personally kasi gusto ko ng color, either machine finish or bronze. Since pwedeng i-test fit na isasalpak sa kotse, we have decided on this color. On this design pala, I mean. Itong series, 304 series. Bali, kukunin namin. Let me get you another look. So this one. Yung natripan naming design. So we'll just get different colors of each. So this is the bronze. Tapos, yung black, hindi na namin i-fit yan kasi easy option na lang yan once we decide na gusto ko na parang kung hindi ko trip yung machine and si bronze, then we'll go for the easier choice na color black with that design. So ganun ang tsura ng rims tires nito. And kung pinaka-okay sa kanya is si Jericho. May kakilala sila dito na nearby na pwede i-dispose agad yung stock na rims tire. So yun yung gusto kasi natin gawin talaga. Is after natin palit, i-dispose natin agad kasi siya. So at least may ganung option tayo. Kasi wala tayong garahe to store these. So guys, na-install na siya. So ito yung pinaka-test fit natin. Ito yung bronze. Kasi ito yung sa machine. So right now, decide lang tayo kung anong gusto natin magiging kulay. Tapos if we're decided on that na, ipapakabit na natin siya. So guys, nung nagpakabit tayo bagong rims and tires natin nung paalis na. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-video kasi nagmamadali ng umalis no. So, I had a very good experience naman. Sa pagpili lang ng rims ang matatagalan kasi you have to choose your design and yung gusto mong color. Concept 1 is very accommodating in terms of test fit. Okay yung test fit kasi kapag tinitingnan mo siya sa showroom, iba siya kapag naka-fit na siya sa kotse. Kasi kapag naka-fit na siya sa kotse, kitang-kita naman yung parang yung magiging look niya kapag nakasalpak na. So, at least they're very accommodating with that. And if you guys need help in the future, I will leave Jericho's number in the video description. So that's all for now. Thank you guys for watching.